at the very basic minimum, what I would recommend for a business owner who's getting started with their consulting practice is you need one piece of collateral where you give away something that you know that is easy for you and hard for others. And I loved this. We could have a whole podcast about this. I love this part of the ideation with helping consultants because people become so good at one thing or several things that they have lost perspective on how that checklist of 10 steps to avoid is like so obvious to them. It is not obvious to other people. And so I think dreaming up this kind of marketing is really fun. And it's not my main business, but I end up helping friends with it all the time because it's so fun to answer the question, what's easy for you that's hard for others? For example, I could name off 20 things to never say in sales that are literally coming out of my brain from years of practice